The Penthouse is Ellen Vitale Enclave's first three-story townhome community, nestled inside Jubilation Enclave North. Being the last project community in the whole of Binan, Laguna, the Penthouse carries the upscale living requirements of a townhome at a deserving price, suitable for middle-income families striving for a living space upgrade. Penthouse at Jubilation Enclave North is a 45-minute drive from Metro Manila and just 5 minutes off South Luzon Expressway with easy access via the Mamplasan Exit. Drive on to Metro Manila Skyway via EDSA to get to the South Luzon Expressway or SLEX. Continue driving along SLEX. And in about 25 minutes, take the Mamplasan Exit. When you see the Unilab campus on your left, you are now in the city of Binan, Laguna. The private and gated neighborhood of Penthouse is situated in the robust location of Binan, Laguna. Commercial and lifestyle establishments, healthcare facilities, and educational institutions are all a few minutes away from the Penthouse. From the SLEX Mamplasan Exit, continue driving towards Jubilation Loop. And make a left at the end of the roundabout. Welcome home to Penthouse at Jubilation Enclave North. Penthouse at Jubilation Enclave North, Binan, Laguna. Family moments for a lifetime.